Welcome to our class today. Today we are taking physics, and the topic of discussion is scalar and vector quantities. Resolution of vectors. By the grace of God, we'll be able to go into that also. So what is scalar quantities? Scalar quantities are those quantities that have magnitude but no direction. So we can say scalar have magnitude, direction is what? Magnitude, no direction. Why vector quantities? They have magnitude and what? Direction. Right? So examples of scalar quantities: mass. Mass of an object does not have direction, but it has magnitude, measured in kg, grams, and so on. So the other one we talk about other scalar quantity. Let's look at speed also. Speed is a what? A scalar quantity. Energy is a scalar quantity. Vector quantities, examples, we have force, the weight, the momentum. All these have directions. So now we look at resolution of vectors. That's where my interest is for today's class. Resolution of vectors. And those vectors, when we hear resolution, we know that it's going to be resolved into what? The horizontal and vertical components. The horizontal and vertical components. And your knowledge of trigonometry is very important. That's a prerequisite for this class. So we have, I'll give you something to assist us. Let's say this is a vector V in this direction. And this is what? Vertical axis and what? Horizontal axis X. Now I want to resolve this to the horizontal and vertical components. We have this with what? Vy and what? Vx. Take the angle, let's say angle theta. Angle theta. So there. So with this we have our with the knowledge of trigonometry, remember SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA will help us here. SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Sin theta equals to opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Then cos theta equals to what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. And tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent. Now with the knowledge of that, and I said we need the knowledge of trigonometry, right? So this is our opposite. Opposite. This is opposite. This is adjacent. And this is what? Hypotenuse. So we're looking for VI. But this is known. The V is known. The vector is known. So for Vy now, say Vy. That is opposite. Vy over what? This side is what? Hypotenuse over V. So what is representing opposite over hypotenuse is what? Our what? Our sin theta. So we have sin theta. Therefore, if we relate this and this, we have that Vy is equals to V sin theta. Right? Are we together? Now the next is we look at for Vx. For Vx. Can you solve that? I believe you can. Just try and solve it. I believe you can, because look at this. We have our Vx to be equal to, if you follow the same principle, you have V cos theta. Following the same principle, you have V cos theta. Right? That is that, about that. Now we look at, let's just look at a very small example for today. Look at a very small example for today. And it goes to us. Resolve the force 60 newtons in the diagram below. So it's vertical and horizontal components. So with this, this is a question we're going to solve. And let us look at the 60 newtons here. And let's say we have the angle to be a 30 degrees. So we should resolve it to the horizontal and vertical component. Right? So with this, I have very simple. Since I know the formula already, I'll just go straight to the point and solve. These are the basic calculations. So look at this solution. You have Vx equals to V cos theta, right? This for the horizontal component. Horizontal. Right? So in that case, we have what? Our f what? X. So we want what is f? 60 cos 30. Then Vy equals to V sin theta. That's our vertical component. So we have Fy equals to what? 60 sin 30. This is equals to 60 open bracket 0.866. And this is 60 open bracket what? 0.5. So I have 693, that is 51.96. Yes. Yeah. Then this one is I'm having 30 newtons. So these are the answers to the questions that we just saw. Right? Very simple. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for coming to our channel. And we hope you help us like, share, and subscribe to our channels. God bless you as you do so. Have a great day.